Hello everyone. Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we will talk about food. Let's start with something very common, bread. Different types of bread are made using different kinds of flour. Some of the most common types of bread are white bread. It is soft and made from white flour. Brown bread. It is darker and made from whole wheat flour. Wholemeal bread. It is made with whole grain flour, so it has more fiber. It's healthy. Granary bread or whole wheat bread. It is made with flour that contains whole grains that are not crushed. You can see the grain pieces in the bread. It is full of nutrients and gives more energy. Rye bread. It is made from rye flour. It is heavier and has a strong taste. Bread is one delicacy enjoyed around the world. Let's talk about spreads. A spread is something soft that you put on bread. Using a knife. Let's look at some common ones. Butter. People enjoy bread with butter. It can be salted or unsalted. There is strawberry jam. It has little pieces of strawberries inside, making it sweet and tasty. Raspberry jam. This jam is very sweet and fruity, perfect for breakfast. There is apricot jam. It is made from apricots and has a nice, sweet flavor. These jams are great to put on bread and enjoy anytime. Honey. Nutella. Chocolate and hazelnut spread. Nut butters. Peanut butter, almond butter. They can be smooth or crunchy. Avocado spread. Cream cheese. The list of spreads is long. Did I mention your favorite spread? Which one do you like the most? Let's share in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your favorites and why you like them. Here are some common meats that are often eaten with bread. Ham. Sliced ham is popular for sandwiches. Chicken. Cooked or grilled chicken. Beef. Like roast beef or beef burger patties. Sausages. Long meat roll, often in hot dogs. Tuna fish is also popular. What kind of meat do you like? Let us know in the comment section. If you are enjoying this kind of learning, kindly like, share and subscribe. We learn something new every day. Types of bread. A loaf of bread. A slice of bread. Bagel. Wrap or bun. Roll or bread roll. Baguette or French stick. Croissant. Sandwich. Wrap. Pita or pita. Types of cakes. Sponge cake. Swiss roll. Or jelly roll. Cheesecake. Fairy cake. Or cupcake. Tart. Donut. Or donut. Danish pastry. Or Danish. Mince pie. Hot cross bun.